And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the t-head tag. It's used to define a table header. Let us simply create one. It needs to be nested inside of our table tags. And it usually defines the first table row of your table. So in this case, I've got month and day. Let me cut it out here, and I paste it inside of the table head. You can see it doesn't change anything in the formatting by default, but it's an important tag to give your table structure, and it helps browsers to understand what is the head and what's the actual body of your table. Inside of it, you always use th tags instead of td, and these give you a different formatting by default, but the formatting doesn't come from the t-head, it comes from the th element. And this I can use the table head tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.